Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest time savers for virtual assistants using AI to create stunning presentation slides. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank screen, you'll learn how to turn simple text into professional slides fast. If you've ever been asked to prepare a client deck, you know the challenge. Do you focus on the design, the layout, the content? It's easy to feel stuck. But here's the good news. With tools like Canva, AI takes care of the design heavy lifting. You just bring the ideas. Let's start with Canva. Many of you already use it for graphics. But did you know you can also use it for presentations? Even on the free plan, Canva gives us AI powered features to make slides easier. The first step is drafting your ideas. Canva Docs is perfect for this. Think of it as your brainstorming space. For example, if a client asks you to report on Q1 marketing performance, you'd simply type overview, social media, email campaigns, next steps. That's enough to start. Now, here's where design comes in. Copy your outline into a free presentation template. From there, Canva's layouts and AI image tools can do wonders. Try Magic Media or text to image to generate visuals that match your topic. Instead of wasting time finding stock photos, let AI create them. And here's the final polish. You can adjust fonts, colors, and layouts until it matches your client's brand. While the brand kit is pro only, free users can still customize colors and themes easily. The AI gives you a solid foundation. You just guide it into a professional final product. So, what's the takeaway? With Canva, you can move from text ideas to polished slides in a fraction of the time. You'll save hours, impress your clients, and deliver presentations that look like they came from a professional design agency. This is your new superpower as a virtual assistant. Fast, effective, AI driven slide creation.